Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video is a collab with Emily D. We're doing a New Year's Eve look. So I have an inspiration. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna do a quick look, and hopefully you find this to be motivating to get your look together even if you're staying home. So what I will say is I'm using Jeffree Star Weirdo palette. I forgot that I even had it. A lot of people asked to do looks, so I need some smoky and I need a silver. So we're gonna do that, and if I add anything, I'll let you know at the end, so stay tuned. Okay, so what do you guys think? New Year's Eve vibes. I mean, you can slap on some red lipstick to finish the look, highlighter, all that, but we are just focusing on the eyes. You can even do a nude look if you wanted to for the lips. I love it. I just popped in some gold just to silver and gold. you see both for New Year's. Let me just show you. The lashes are Glam Light, the chocolate bar. They are my favorite lashes, and how I get them to stick is Kiss Lash Glue. This you can use on any lashes. This guy is like a little crazy here. I'm just gonna slap on some clear gloss because I'm a clear gloss type of girl. But you could certainly do red lips, shimmery, sparkly, right? For New Year's, even if you're staying in. I absolutely love it. My inspiration picture is kind of different, but I jazzed it up. So I used the Filthy Rich from Thirsty and Divine. I kind of mixed it in with the razor blade from Weirdo. I didn't swatch these or anything. I just went in and used it for the first time. Absolutely amazing. Not really into smoky looks, but I love it. I think it came out great. Please go check out Emily D. I'll leave her link in the comment section so you guys can go check her out. I'd love it if you did that, and also leave me a comment. Let me know your New Year's Eve plans if you have any. I usually stay home, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.